abuja for me mo akwaba edeba DKTV GH so enedwe ebre aso se yede agukansi mu nsem ebre mo ewo DKTV GH so tentem se be hyase afri present cap course enne enumu ne ye bedomo so koyi papa yedika be ka kire wo se Shatawale ebe pie mu ho eno be pie mu nyasem ketua na wo na fade a wo de be pie mu nyasem ketua kura minim se awo bi atie sinkan de a wo hwe afade e Shatawale se mu nwini mu hyewa sila ne sabrantie but ye gusu or performing and kasan or roy ema ye who says English na or performing kama 15 minutes and fast 15 minutes after the first half no and abranti ebeje stage e performing kama anti ayeti nyina ne say Shatawale anchaade o em wa anye hwe yes we born free of charge and so e wo honom na omampane John the Mani mama before the game after some few hours before the game no or post to no social media say I will have to present the present cup to one of the Ghana's two great teams, Hearts or Kotoko. Or say who do you think will win? We and some of the candidate to social media and sana we can see nangazangasa because every John the Mani mama and so ehonum na boshe bibiri ekoso yebeka ya Greater Accra regional minister Edibetu just said also promise has of players necessary umutimi winia $1,500 eko edi ama wo mo mema wura mfizo se nita so edi betu dwa ama no so se omutimi fo kotoko so utimi wini a omo so enya $1,000 for which is a promise na ano hyiye papa yehwe Ashanti regional minister ne de no na compare Greater Accra regional minister no so anese na emu edi ye pa na ma attention started say eba president cap na ye koso no na yehwe maame na was say every goal you score against Asante Kotoko on Sunday, we will give you $1,000. And then someone Mami Lenda Okulu on a Greater Accra regional minister at the two and so ewo honum. Now you have two coaches no. I did Dramania and then no all representing Accra so folk. And a Karim Zito also represent the Kotoko. So two coaches in your coaches are before Mabishiano, not did Dramania winning trophies Ghana Makmako 5. Did Dramania winning 5 trophies. And na Karim Zito were winning 4 before enwa game before presidential cup no Sunday ne twa mu no na say na omo trophy winning no esitie na ye to so a ohwe mfonyi na etwa gu ya omo mienu nyina kohie mo page ne so a ne gie so chesere omo sesere edi nkomo bo nyase ketwa ne say ne nyina chese game na ye be koso no nyentokwa ne mom eye agukansi a ye be dia ma Ghana nyina ni age enso so e wo honom ya to so a ye hu se na flag bi e twagu Kotoko supporters numpa na o matro se wo ye support from heaven woni e ko buza se na heaven wo no hwan na te wo a on support api Accra Sports Stadium a ene all support Kotoko yi ye twini pen Kotoko supporters e buso mo chese na pula wonye ne ba bi ko no na ne kra ne bibia ta Kotoko achi a ne wo support wo mo that time no eno so ne nsem a ne no so e free won so eba ye hwe mbrante age pene ema sa two teams no na ye Kotoko afamu a Mohamed Kamara ene da post mu ye Francis Akwa ye Zakaria Fuseni Samba One Kwame Poku Emmanuel Antwi Patrick Asiedu Abetamu Said Kwadwo Lord Amwa ana Peter Amidu Akwa mrantie uduba ko we na jepene edigina mu de makrobia Asante Kotoko ye to aso hasofu gwaso yenso a hasogu so mrantie duba ko a omo so jepene de ma omo no Sharif Shaibu ene goalkeeper on so dem Emmanuel Amankwa enso ejinam de ma mo Ransford Mensah Kevin Osasi be Kunadu Yadom Rafael Amponsan Steven Apia Asare Kwasi Asma Hamza Isa Mohamed Hussein ene Mawuli Wayo we ne mrantie duba ko omo so jepene edigina mu ma Gross Accra so folk aye de tamso enso e wo hono na referee a ogina mu eteneten dan agukansi ne aye Reginald Collins Amwa on the center referee first referee no ekwade Makwasi Brobi and second assistant referee Emmanuel Dolagbanu and fourth referee Charles Bulu we ne mrantie a omo so egina mu represent referee omo dan adwumadi no kama enso so e wono na first half no gusu koso na anche bia na Hamza Isa eto atene dikan editia ra Kotoko na ni nyina ye mistake bia Kamara ekoyeye ene ma Hamza Isa enya first goal edema Gross Accra Hasofuk ti first half no ko na wie no na Hasofuk elidi 1-0 against Asante Kotoko na yekoba ya hunu nsesan yekoba ye dem se Didi Dramani ayi Osiasibe afiri mu. Reason no de we are yet to know the entire oyi Osiasibe afiri mu na the new defender by na Kotoko your by Peter Midu akwa efa ball bi of flanks wo etene de ne na fa so eye cross Emma Konodu Yadom say wo clear ni ti pima firi ho du hu an say ehye ponum Konodu Yadom atika na de ama Kotoko koye on go enso so wo honom on be pass ya nche bia na another counter enso so sunye abetamu a enya ball bi odan de ma kwampoku the left no the two mu na koye 2-1 against House of Folk almost the 2 minutes what the 2 minutes actually 2 goals Accra Sports Stadium and now can see the corner we no na akoye 2-1 in favor of Asante Kotoko and Kotoko the account almost say 2025 President Cup no na year winners and so man of the match no equal my Peter Amidu Akwa Abrante na ebon homodin ye papa after the game Coach Didi Dramani oye House of Coach na edin sembe to dwa the okanyina ne say it is part of the industry at time we were controlling, we lost a key player, Osiasibe. They took a chance, and so we have to acknowledge that we are in a progressive process. I am very impressive with the composition and the execution. There is a lot we have done, but there is a lot we have to put in. I believe we will get there with some adjustment. We love the fans so much. We want to see more of this. There's some opinion in can say, on do who say. Osiasibe prayer we ni free mo ma kwan beda ho Makotoko take wo mo chances na mo mutimi enna mo mutimi edi sa nkunim no on de wo de mo se Kotoko bo no ho mo de yiba papa ba se si hu fans no so stadium na neje na opeso hunu mo because hunu se obema haso fans na good performance nti omo nkoso Amra Stadium no mehunu bo a efe bo a akono pa eno se nsamo a Coach Didi Dramani so editudia ekobuza Abdul Karim Zito se na nim nyina ye sede all smart se neje aba o se no kure ani je na dia ba na timu a efa ne so mane ba na ye ma na ye mo esanse se wo hye House of Folk eje cap de a ya na ni je na ye sonko nti dia ma na ni age nyina na ye House of Folk wo hye na de age no na ma wure fi say match so kan wo preparation na o mo prepare for cap Confederation Cup no ani nyina kan preparation no no mbesan so akọ South Africa enso akọbo training match bi enso so ho no nsemo a Abdul Karim Zito enso so ede tu dwa enso so ho no mo a ye hwe match de ko na wie no a Kofi Adams and sports minister and so a donate 10,000 Ghana cedis edema Asante Kotoko winning team no say almost so enye because of my bon homodin ye papa and so some more if you want so eba Abrante and picture that's we friend Zakaria Fuseni become Chelsea for captain former player and the way Pimo Kotoko Abrante any samba one ne ball 4 and 5 na ye busa say we akoye performance ya oda na di ewo Accra Sports Stadium ye compare one Ablo Joseph Ablo a hwan pa na so start e de ma Asante Kotoko enkofo hu ni say one kosoma paneti ni buy na but ye eno free mu a akwa ne performance ne was fantastic na say Zakaria Fuseni no ebetima be boy djuma papa e wo kro be yakuma Asante Kotoko eno so nsem a efiri won so eba so far Kotoko company for so abo modern akọ present 2 trophies o mo gini season atwa mu aye FA Cup no any President Cup no nya de akere o mo partnership sponsors aye Hisense and no he pictures e twagu ya na se ne ya omuda kwakire omu fefefe kama pa Kunadu Yadom na ne ha supporters no aso no se ya tete o matete se o beso beri ni contract no omodi se o pese o kwa wonko no go so awasha ama ha so fokura no de wahye ne ho ama nkrofo kura do so de wahye ama ha so foku nto mu hunu ne sabio ni so mfa so be otini nti ha supporters je se Kunadu Yadom be free team no mu akwa onko omodo mu hia no ene se nsam a efiri won so eba emra Asante Kotoko e present trophies mienu o magede kire omo Hisense omo partnership sponsors no Hisense so aya do estronko e de ama Kotoko fraternity Kotoko players ni nyina ama Kotoko each Kotoko player bia 43 inches of television aya munu twan ya omo de ama players nse obi anko yisu emfa nko boni dembo yi na se no so nsam a efiri won so eba ye hwe presidential cups eni Asante Kotoko awini a since 1973 Kotoko ne wini ye 1984 Kotoko wini 2004 Kotoko wini 2005 Kotoko wini 2008 Kotoko wini 2016 Kotoko wini 2017 Kotoko wini 2019 Kotoko wini and 2025 Kotoko wini so far krobia kuma Asante Kotoko wini 9 presidential cups e wo Ghana ha eno so nsemo e firi won so e by na ye hwe sisi ya the last 6 matches Kotoko any has abono hasofok enwini baako kura wa bodro baako kotoko achi hasofok ahye ne mpre mako 5 times mamini app bi ho adanse nkyerɛ ye fen affinity app wode ko Play Store ana Google Play ko download affinity na o referral code no eye CE6 C ni small e small c CE6 CHE o referral code wa download wa wie no obebusa referral code emra wo file no ha watwere udin na wo file ayi na obebusa referral code na obosa referral code na hye wo CE6 CHE oboshe wo wi a wa file nyina wi no obeka che say ye deposit ana say why ye deposit 100 cedis now ye deposit 100 cedis a manenam 2 days after 2 days no ko hwe 100 cedis no na hwe de sika na ye obeko no na sika no onya wo 10 cedis abeka ho after so 100 cedis no ye de 10 cedis account say fan free fadi ene osika ni nyina na sa 10 cedis na abeka ho na wodi bi to airtime wodi bi to band amount for all networks uyi bi wo send bi uno na o bede wo credit score tie ka se credit score ene ye hwe so de ma obesia e wo platform no so eye bank o eye digital banking system a eye online wa wo bank wa na wo manage bibia ka hu se bibia be send e free so say airtime sika be send e free app so ama number bia no yenti o e free if you would sika kura to app no so kura so yenti eno so ye free nti eye bank eye wankasa e she obotuma wo wankasa wo nchen a ebo eye affinity na medi ho dance chiro no ti referral code na medi ama no oso wi a me de link ne be ma o DKTV post link no e de ama o follow a e betimi do akọ na wakọ download app no na so so wetimi abe join the online digital banking institution no na so wetimi enjoy the ekoso nyina bi aha na be makwa ma DKTV di mo si obaso a share video no send ma unya subscribe ya subscribe na send the videos no ma from so hunu nsem a na wonte nsem a etwagu Ghana aha until then stay focused and stay blessed. I love you all. Bye bye.